Hello everyone, my name is Luke and welcome to Banking Help SA. This is how to activate your FNB card on the app. Make sure you watch until the end so you do not miss any steps. If your app layout looks slightly different after an update, the steps are still the same. Just follow along and look for the same options. First, open the FNB app and log into your account. Once you're on the home screen, scroll until you see the Cards option and tap on it. You'll now see all your available cards. At the top of the screen, tap Add Card. Next, scroll down until you see Link a Card option and tap on it. You will now be taken to a page where you need to enter all your card information. Enter the required information such as the card's sequence number and any other details that are requested. Once the information is entered, press Continue and follow the prompt to complete the process. Confirm the process using your app authentication. After the process is complete, your card will be activated on the app. If you want to create a virtual card and link a virtual card instead, you can also select Create a Virtual Card on the same page and follow all the prompts. And that is it. That's how to activate your FNB card on the app. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials. Goodbye.